My name is Kyungbin, and we're making seaweed pasta. Very simple. We have spaghetti noodles. It's been cooked for about 8 minutes. Compound butter. Just regular butter. I mixed in a little bit of blended Kwangcheonkim, which is just a different varietal of seaweed. It's still expensive, but not as expensive as this. Has like a more like truffly, umami flavor note to it, but the patterns on it is more layered and like weavy versus like traditional like nori or like seaweed that you get in the little like packages. And you can actually see like the different colorations on it. So this is this. Okay. So this is just like maybe like a quarter of this pack just blended out of, and then made into like this like super fine like seaweed powder. And then I'll use this and then add it into the compound butter. And then that's why if you look at it, you'll see like the little specks and things like that. Butter, blustery, garlic, and a little bit of Yondu, which is like a gluten-free, I want to say almost like cracked out soy sauce. Very like, this is like my little hidden secret. Like it's mind-blowing. You have to try this. And then this is just like a little mix of different seaweeds. I think there's like 7 different kinds of variations of seaweed, but if you look at it, there's like very different things in there. So it's like a dried seaweed blend. It's harder to find right now because not everyone carries it, but if not, you can always just go with like dried seaweed. Usually we'll use it for something called miyeokguk, which is like a seaweed soup. So they just come dried. You just need to rehydrate it with some water. But this one's nicer than like say like it's different from when you get like kombu or dashima versus these, because these are like super thick and like stocky, versus this where like this kind of seaweed's more like thinner and it's more easy to eat. Oh, they'll rehydrate like 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and it's really quick. And then this is just rehydrated dried shiitakes, and this probably takes like 5 to 10 minutes. If you use warm water, it's more instant. But we're gonna be using the actual like liquid reserve, because technically this is like a mushroom stock almost, because it just has all that shiitake flavor. Well, start with a good amount of butter. I'll squeeze some of that water out of the shiitakes and then give that a stir fry. And then some of that reserved shiitake water. And you're sort of like emulsifying it together. I'll add the noodles. I'll add some of the blended seaweed. For the seasoning, I'll add a little drizzle of Yondu. A little squirt of lemon to offset the fat. Mainly just emulsifying all the fats and like the sauces together. And then because the pasta's already cooked, and then right at the end, I'll add a little bit of the seaweed.
So you can count the won't get right. This time around, that's a problem. You can leave now, cause I'm clown at this song till some truth hails. And a while await the hours, contemplate the cowards who turn their back and the next big thing to sit in a corner and cower, afraid of what might happen. Listen to Kevin Allison, take a risk, make sense of chillin'. What comes round, take your kid, everything you know, break it into God gives no rules, every type of crimes close. And I'll dance to you, the romance to you. Do this now with me, I'll take a chance to you. I don't, you. That sweet living back, the tides of moving so fast, so go and stand. else. I can't really tell when another one will laugh.
In the seaweed pasta, there's compound butter, Gamtae kim, a mixed varietal of seaweed, a little bit of Gamtae seaweed, lemon juice, parmesan to finish, and once again, just Gamtae on top.
Tell me, I'm gonna be famous. I bleed my work till I go berserk, then I drop the glitch and claim it, ain't it? Old news at this point.